Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to start a series of GRE word list for the candidates of CSS, PMS, PCS and other competitive exams. The first word is abyss. Abyss is a verb. The meaning is to act in a way that shows that you accept somebody's power over you. The synonyms are humiliate, belittle, modify, and antonyms are exalt, extol, and dignify. The example or a sentence is I watched my colleagues abasing themselves before the board of trustees. For those who are comfortable with Urdu, so meaning is also given in Urdu as well. That is बेइज्जत करना, आजिज करना और कम करना. The next word is abashed. It is an adjective. It tells that or the meaning is embarrassed or ashamed because of something you have done. Sharamsar hona for those who are at ease with Urdu. Let's see the synonyms. Synonyms are bewildered, budged, or phased. Opposite words are which are antonyms, that is at ease, emboldened, and proud. Example is he glanced at Juliet accusingly and she looked suitably abashed. The third word in the row is abate. Abate is a verb. It means to become less strong, to make something less strong. Synonyms are subside or moderate. Its example is steps are its steps are to be taken to abate pollution. Very informative sentence for regarding pollution. And next sentence is the storm showed no signs of abating. उर्दू मीनिंग इज कम करना, तखफीफ करना, कम होना, मोतदिल होना. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज abdicate. Abdicate is also a verb. It has two meanings. The first meaning is to give up the position of being king or queen. The second meaning is to fail or refuse to perform a duty. Synonym is renounce. Let's see the example for more clarity. That is, she was forced to abdicate the throne of Spain. उर्दू मीनिंग इज तख्त छोड़ना, दस्तबरदार होना, ओहदा छोड़ना. The number 5 word is aberration. Aberration is an adjective. The meaning is not usual or not socially acceptable. I think not socially acceptable is more suitable. If you want to memorize the definition, just consider the not socially acceptable. Synonym is abnormal or deviant. Sentence is, or sorry, it is not a sentence, it is a phrase, that aberrant behavior means abnormal behavior. Somebody is acting abnormally or deviantly. Urdu meaning is kajrao, munharif. Next word in the list is aberration. Aberration is a noun. Its meaning is a fact, an action, or a way of behaving that is not usual. Synonyms are normally, anomaly, deviation, divergence. It is a noun of aberrant. Aberration is a noun of aberrant. So let's see the example. Economists dismissed last month's jump in inflation as an aberration. Next word is abet. Abet is to help, or encourage somebody to do something wrong. Synonyms are assist or aid or help. Example is he was abetted in the deception by his wife. Means he was helped in deception somebody by his wife. Now there is an addition. When I was looking the meaning of these words in dictionary, whichever addition I found, I tried to incorporate these addition in these words, in this GRE word list. Now there is a very famous idiom about abet, that is aid and abet. It is regarding law. The meaning is to help somebody to do something illegal or wrong. Example is he was charged with the aiding and abetting the robbers. Next word is abeyance. Abeyance is a suspended action. Abeyance is a suspended action. Sorry, the laptop is misbehaving little bit. So abeyance is a noun. It means a suspended action. Okay. Now it is also an idiom. It is used as in abeyance, meaning not being used or being stopped for a period. Example means a sentence. Example is legal proceedings are in abeyance while further inquiries are made. It is also regarding a law. The Urdu meaning of abeyance is iltawa or ta'attul. The second last word is abhor. Abhor is a verb, means to hate something. For example, a way of behaving or thinking, especially for moral reasons. Okay. The hate which is caused are due to moral reasons. Synonyms are detest or loath. Loath is very famous word. It comes again and again in Dawn vocabulary and in academic writing. So try to keep this synonym as well. Loath. Examples are it has two examples. One is most decent people abhor corruption in government. The second is she abhor any form of cruelty toward animals. The last word is abide. Abide is very simple word. It is a verb, but it uses as phrasal verb. Abide by something. To abide by something. The meaning is to accept and act according to law or an agreement. Example is we will abide by their decision. The Urdu meaning is Tamil karna, hukum mana. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video.